Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am going to share with you everything about peach. We are going to make peach syrup, peach puree, peach mojito, and we're going to finish off with making peach fresh milk in bottles. For all these, I am going to use frozen peach. They are not expensive at all. In Thailand, where I am, 1 kilogram is only about 65 Thai baht or about 2.5 US dollars. That's roughly about 110 pesos per kilogram of frozen peach. Now with that, you can make 1 bottle of peach syrup, you can make 1 bottle of peach puree, and a number of drinks that use peach like peach fruit tea, peach milk tea, also peach mojito, which I'm going to make today. So we're going to start by making our peach syrup. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I am going to use 1 kilogram of frozen peach. These are very inexpensive, making your peach syrup and puree much cheaper than buying commercially available ones. 1 cup or 240 milliliters of water, 300 grams of sugar. You may add more or reduce depending on your sweetness preferences. Finally, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. In a saucer, place the frozen peaches. Sprinkle the sugar over and add the water. Bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the heat and simmer for at least 30 minutes. This is to allow the peach flavor to be infused with the sugar. After half an hour, the peaches should be soft and ready. Taste the syrup and it should give you that delicious sweet and sour taste with that fruity smell of peach. Separate the syrup from the sweetened peaches. Strain the syrup and store in a bottle. For the puree, place all the sweetened peaches into a blender. Blend for about 1 minute or so, not too long to leave some texture into the puree. Store in a bottle. The shelf life of the syrup is up to 2 weeks refrigerated. For the puree, it is up to 1 week, once again refrigerated. The puree is perfect for another version of strawberry fresh milk, this time peach fresh milk. Now we are ready to make our peach green tea mojito. This is a Starbucks signature drink with my own twist to it. We need fresh mint, lime, peach syrup, sweetened peach, soda water, and brewed green tea. First, let's cut a sweetened peach into small cubes. These will make a tasty addition to our peach mojito. Place them into your glass. Add the brewed green tea. Squeeze lime juice in. Add some slices of lime. Smash some mint leaves into the glass. 1.5 ounce of our peach syrup. Add the ice and fill the glass to the top with soda water. Decorate with mint leaves on top and you get a smashing peach mojito. Finally, we are going to make our peach fresh milk in bottles of 300 ml. So I have here my peach puree and fresh milk, only 2 ingredients. So I am going to use pure fresh milk here. We are not going to dilute it with ice because what my plan is to put this in the refrigerator, and whenever I have a craving for it, I am going to just grab it and have this delicious treat. So for this, if you are going to bottle this for business, I'm going to measure my peach. I'm going to use my shot glass, fill it up to about 60 milliliter or 2 ounces. Use the funnel so that when you pour it into your bottle, you don't make a mess. So I have about 3 bottles of peach fresh milk here, and with the remaining peach here, I should be able to make at least another 6 bottles. So I should be able to make, from that 1 kilogram of peach, I should be able to make about 10 300 milliliters bottle. Okay, so now just to give it a taste, I am going to make one for myself in a glass of 16 ounces. I'm going to use the same recipe. I'm going to put 2 ounces of my homemade peach puree, into my glass, and of course nothing else but fresh milk. And you have a delicious looking peach fresh milk in glass of 16 ounces. Now before I try my peach fresh milk, I would like to just try this pure peach puree and let you know how it tastes like. I love the texture of it. The peach is crunchy, it is a bit sour, and there is absolutely nothing synthetic about it. You know, when you get your peach puree in bottles or commercial bottles, there is something not quite right with it. With this one, absolutely perfect. Everything tastes perfect. So now let's try it with the fresh milk. The sweetness level is also just about right. You know, if you'd like it to be a bit sweeter, you might wish to add more sugar. But for me, the 300 grams to 1 kilogram of peach, that's perfect combination. Okay, so let me try this. I actually had one for breakfast. That is absolutely delicious. It is so perfect. I think I am going to have the rest of these every day until it expires. As I have said, it is good for up to 1 week refrigerated. Well, there you go. A simple frozen peach, 1 kilogram of frozen peach, and you can make a lot of drinks, healthy drinks at that. Moms and dads, you can prepare this at home. Keep them refrigerated for when you need to serve them for your kids when they have a cravings for milk with delicious flavor of peach. Not only for kids, also for adults. They are absolutely delicious. I would strongly recommend you make this at home. Very inexpensive, very simple to make. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.